Welcome aboard the ship, newbie. In the darkness of space, the remnants of two lost vessels hold secrets, puzzles, and a fate that skirts the edge of extinction. Every tool, a weapon, every code, a key. Here, ingenuity is your only lifeline in a world where every relic tells a story of survival. Beneath the relentless buzz of alarms, short-lived moments of order emerge, if only you can decode the chaos. But be warned, the enemy is ever present. Bioengineered and armed with hover tech, these green sentinels are as lethal as they are enigmatic. Between two shattered worlds, your mission is clear. Your journey through the void begins now.